Your website is losing customers every second it's slow. We tested a free AI tool that cuts load time analysis from hours to minutes and showed us exactly where we're bleeding money. Studies show 40% of users abandon websites that take over 3 seconds to load. For e-commerce businesses, that's lost conversions daily. Manual speed testing takes hours. AI-powered tools now do it instantly, identifying exact bottlenecks costing you sales and ranking penalties. We tested 3 AI platforms: Google PageSpeed Insights, Gmetrix with AI Recommendations, and Semrush. The AI Recommendations in Semrush. The AI layer automatically prioritizes fixes by revenue impact, not just technical severity. It flagged our image compression issue, which alone recovered 2 seconds load time and boosted conversions 12%. Paste your URL, run the scan, takes 60 seconds. AI highlights critical, high-impact fixes. We prioritize 3 recommendations: compression, caching, and CDON implementation. Total implementation time, 4 hours. Result, homepage speed improved 45%, organic traffic up 18% within 3 weeks. Faster sites rank higher, convert better, reduce bounce rates. We tracked metrics: 23% user engagement, 8% revenue per visitor, 40% CUDI user and shows to revenue per visitor, 40% servers to optimization. Was did tools pay for themselves in conversions? Subscribe for themselves in conversions. Subscribe for a business tools that actually increase revenue. Like this video, comment which tool you'll test first, and hit notifications for weekly automation strategies. All the biz